Hi buddies, today's video is something I have been really excited to film. You guys saw that shot where I showed you my sticker folder. And a lot of you were like, we want to see everything. So here it is. Okay, first of all, look at this. This is my entire sticker collection. I don't even know where to start. So I'll be just picking randomly. These are some of my funky stickers, super random, super fun. I usually use these when I just want to decorate freely without thinking too much. Then obviously we have the kawaii section. Look at these. So tiny, so cute. I don't even understand how they make them this adorable. Really, these are so pretty. And this one is actually a sticker book. I kept it inside so it stays safe. This is honestly one of my favorites. And then we have these vintage ones. I love this so much. The colors, the vibe, everything feels so calm and aesthetic. Perfect for cozy journal spreads. So yeah, this box is basically has everything. Vintage, cute, random, all kind of stickers. Okay, now let me just put everything back nicely before I lose something. Apart from these stickers, I have more stickers. Let me show you. These are the main characters of today's video. Look at this. These are so pretty, but also so long. Like seriously, they don't fit anywhere. I mean, I tried putting them with other stickers, I tried adjusting them in the box, even thought of rolling them a little, but nothing really worked. They are just too long and too delicate at the same time. See this, they literally don't fit inside my storage box at all. And the worst part is, just look at these stickers. They are so cute, like tiny little designs. Everything is so detailed and pretty. I honestly don't even feel like using them. Let me just take one out and show you properly. See this. This whole sheet is filled with such cute elements, and that's exactly why I want to keep them safe and organized. And folding them? No, that's just not an option for me. Because if I fold this, the stickers are going to get damaged, and I really don't want that. So I was like, okay, we definitely need a better solution for this. But before jumping into that, I feel like I should at least make things a little less messy here. Because right now, everything is just everywhere. So yeah, I'm just going to take a moment and organize these a bit. I'll keep all the yellow ones together, then blue, green, and then pink. I don't know why, but doing this was just satisfying. It takes time, but it's actually really relaxing. It's like one of those things where you don't even realize how much time has passed and you are just enjoying the process. Okay, this already looks much better. Now that everything is sorted, it's going to be way easier to actually organize them properly. Now let me show you the real hero of this video. This is the folder. And the best part, this is actually a budget folder. It was meant for budgeting, but I saw it and I was like, nope, this is becoming a sticker folder. I got it for around 300 rupees and honestly, totally worth it. Inside it was these transparent zip pouches which are literally perfect for organizing stickers. So now let's make these giant sticker sheet fit here. Okay, wait. Before I start cutting anything, let me just take a second and actually see how this is going to work. Because I don't want to mess up this. I kind of want all of them to be in the same size so that everything looks neat inside the folder. Alright, first of all, I'm just measuring the size to see how much I need to cut. Because if I cut it wrong once, there's no going back. So yeah, a little careful here. Okay, so I noticed one thing, that there are a lot of tiny printed part that aren't even stickers. So it's totally okay to cut these out. I'm just cutting over here. Let's see if this fits. Let me take one pouch out of this. Now let's see. Oh wow, this is actually perfect. So now I basically have to do this for all of them. And honestly, after doing one or two sheets, you kind of get the hang of it. But at the same time, it's like a very slow process. Like you have to be very careful with every cut, make sure the size is right, and also not ruin the stickers in between. But yeah, once it starts coming together, it actually feels really satisfying. Okay, I'm going to speed this up because this honestly took me hours. Okay, so this is where I am right now. As you can see, I have done a few of them, but there are still so many sheets left. Like, I genuinely don't realize I had this many. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep going, picking them one by one, cutting them carefully, and making sure everything is in the same size. Okay, finally, I'm done cutting all of them. That took me way longer than I expected, but I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Now that everything is ready, let's organize them again. So now I'm just going to start placing all of these into the transparent pouches. I'm going to do it color wise so it stays neat and easy to find later. I'll just open the zip and slide the sticker in carefully. So now everything is done. Let me show you all. I love how everything is separated now. It just looks so clean and easy to go through. So these actually came with the folder. They are basically these small color label stickers. And I thought, why not to use them to label each pouch? So I'm just matching the colors. Purple sticker on the purple pouch, blue on the blue, pink on pink. It just makes everything look more organized and also really aesthetic. And because of that, I don't even have to open each pouch to check. I'll instantly know what's inside. Alright, now it's finally time to put everything together. Let me just open this. So this is how it looks from inside, and honestly I'm already loving it. Now I'm just going to place all the pouches inside one by one. I'm just arranging them neatly so that everything sits properly inside. Purple, blue, green, all going in one by one. It's actually so satisfying to see everything finally coming together like this. So, yeah, now you guys know the secret. A lot of you were asking where I got this folder from, but I actually made it myself. It's just a simple budget folder turned into something cute and useful. You can totally try this too. And also, thank you so much for watching my videos and appreciating my work. It genuinely means a lot to me. Okay, bye.